High beta CLSK is down 5.46%. This is Tuesday, the 11th of November, 2025. High beta because of this value here, implied volatility, indicating that in the coming trading sessions, it might get even more volatile. So, yeah, the stock is currently trending because of a $1.15 billion convertible note offering the company disclosed. It has sparked mixed reactions within the investing and trading community. People or some of those investors and indeed traders are expressing concerns about potential dilution and increased risks. Others view that offering or view this offering as a strategic move to fuel expansion into AI and high performance computing and execute share buybacks. Okay, they are also actively debating the long term implications of this financial maneuver on the company's growth and shareholder value, amongst other things. Yeah, so the stock has been on a downtrend since the middle of October. Okay, yeah, and it's expected to remain in place. The 40-day moving average, 40 period moving average has just been serving as a primary supply line. Well, since when? Since all the way back to the 20th of October. Each time it closes within, okay, I would say, let's just say since yes, since the 28th of October, it has been doing that. So getting to 3 weeks now. And it's expected that it's going to remain in place that way. It's going to be a potential resistance in the coming sessions all the way towards the 20th of November. Okay, in terms of projections, we currently have 17.11, 18.28, 18.99. It has even higher projections. We have here 21.80, 23.92, 25.24. But although those ones will be for the future. Okay, in terms of probability of it retesting this the high of yesterday's trading session, I think 16.27 is that what we have. Let's have a look. 16.27. Okay, maybe it is what it is. 16.27. That for probability is yeah, it's very slim, very slim. But it's also within slim and tiny probabilities that these sort of peaks print as well. So it's the tiny probability of it retesting that. Okay, positions opened all the way back to 40 hours ago are now out of profits. Yeah, they are now. This 10 period moving average is now severely bearish, and I think that's also the case with its 40 period moving average. Those positions are not in profit as things stand right now. But are people buying this deep? Let's have a look and see. The bearishness is improving. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Yeah, it's getting worse. But we could still find out if they are buying the deep. No, they are not. They're not buying the deep at all. Yeah, they're selling more. They're still selling as things based on the last 4 hours. That will be all the way back to. This is what time is it now? It is okay. Yeah, going back all the way to the post market session of yesterday, the um, the 10th. Okay, so let's have a look at its daily chart to see what we have there. On this daily chart, yes, you can see the extrapolation got it right. The market hasn't opened today, but it's saying that today was going to be a down day. Yeah, and that is what we have. And it's saying it's going to remain that way at least up till the 4th of December. There nothing, no room, no nothing, no meaningful bounce is expected at all. So projections here saying 21.81. Okay, positions opened all the way back to 400. I mean, 40 days ago are not in profit as well. Yeah, maybe like for surely 21 days ago. Yeah, surely 21 days ago they are not in profit as things stand right now. I think CLSK is optionable as well. Okay, so if this is anything to go by, it suggests that maybe, given that it's optionable, there might be an opportunity to do something. So yeah, it has a November 14 series. So um, Let's see what the opportunities are. Okay, here we have. It doesn't look good on this one. Doesn't look. The spreads are so bad. They're so bad. Yeah. Okay, one. Yeah, they're not so good. They're not that good. Okay, one could do this. One can sell 16.5. What are the chances? It's a bit dicey. I know the current price is what 14.19. It's a bit dicey, but there's something that can come out of there. Something can come out of there. So these are the sort of things you can see here. You can see these contracts are even they, that's where the money is. That's where they have the most open interest. It could be because people are probably expecting that a bounce could happen, but at the same time, it could also be that they're expecting that. You can see what I mean. Well, it's not conclusive. I don't want to conclude, but it could mean that people are expecting either that a bounce is going to happen, or that these stocks would not. The stock is not going to bounce to them to $17 or even 16 to 16.5 and $17. It's either they are expecting it's going to bounce, or they're not expecting that it's going to bounce. That is why we're seeing this sort of relatively high volume, especially the $17 strike. You know, so by this I mean they may be doing spreads on them, credit spreads on them if they expect that if they're convinced it's not going to get to 16.5, they could be doing selling one and buying one, and then that way they keep the credit. And then if it expires, if it doesn't get to 16.5 or $17, then they expire worthless, and then they are refunded their requirement, and then they declare profit. So that's what this seems to be suggesting. That's what this seems to be suggesting, and traders and sophisticated traders and indeed investors are looking at these things. So it's not a recommendation that you should do so. This is just for us to be instructed. So have a look and see what you make of CLSK. It's currently trending, and thank you very much for watching this video.